Welcome. In this video, I will be reviewing a few stocks that were asked by members in our InfoAil live session. If you would like to be a part of our InfoAil live session, click on the first link in the description to join our group where we have a lot of discussions on stocks, post buying opportunities as and when they come up, and also conduct the live stream. Going on to the first stock, KCP. It is good to begin with a cement stock when the sector has been doing good at present. KCP is a rank qualifier stock which reached top rank in November 2020. When it qualified, KCP was at Rs 69. It had a steep climb to Rs 169 in 10 months. Now, still as the earnings rank is at the peak, stock has been taking some rest. Coming to the charts, we can see strength and the steep climb the stock had reached. This pattern will need one more big upside move, which might take some time, as the weekly chart at the right shows that it has been tight for nearly 3 months now. So it needs a breakout. Looking at the daily charts, we can see the tightness KCP is going through. The arrow mark shows that a breakout is expected. A close above 139 on the daily will bring energy to the stock. So watch for Rs 139 on daily close to buy KCP. On the next upside, look for a target above Rs 170. A good 30 points gain is expected from KCP in the next run. It can also go further up as it is fundamentally strong. There are many other cement stocks that have qualified for a fresh buy. You can get the stocks and buy levels from our discussion group. To join the discussion group, click on the first link in the description. The next stock is LG Equipments, a company that is in the air compressor business. LG has been customizing compressors for Indian Railways for more than 3 decades now. LG is a rank qualifier stock. It qualified on earnings rank in May 2021 and its price rank was also above 80 at that time. Since then, stock price went into consolidation and the price rank has dropped. Stock price made a big run before LG reported a good March 2021 earnings. Looks like it has completed all the run and is now waiting for the next directions on the profit growth. Coming to the charts, LG has been stagnating since May 2021 and is now in a non-trend zone. When a stock enters non-trend, it generally gives more losses to investors. So, it is a good choice to wait for the stock to have a good breakout and enter a new trend before buying. LG can be a good buy only if the stock price moves above 220 with good volume, which with the current patterns seems to be a bigger ask. Good to stay away for now. The next stock is Natco Pharma, a stock from the pharma space which has been going through a down cycle at present. Since pharma sector is weak, only a few stocks from the sector can do well in this condition. Among them, Natco is not a favorite stock. Ranking for Natco is very poor. Its earnings rank being 13.30, we can observe that this stock has not been able to move to the top in the whole of last year. On its price rank, it is in single digit at 3.90. Investing in stocks that have low ranks will end up losing our capital. Coming to the charts, we observe that this stock had reached a peak of 1189 in June 2021, where it developed significant weakness and has turned down. Now, the stock is in bearish trend. It is good to short and make money in the stock rather than buying it. To short, Natco is not in the F&O, so it is good to leave the stock on its own journey and look for other stronger stocks in the market to grow our wealth. The next stock is Minda Corp, a stock from the auto sector. Even this sector is doing good now. We are talking about Minda Corp, which is a leading company in the auto components business. Coming to ranks, Minda Corp is not a rank qualifier, unlike its close cousin Minda Industries, which has been in the top ranks and has been doing good in the market. Minda Corp ranks below 50 on its earnings rank. A stock that ranks above 80 are the best ones to invest in. On price rank, it has been going up, now holding at 75. Most of the gains coming in from the current week. A look at the chart shows the run Minda Corp had this week, gaining nearly 20% for the week. While the stock is not a good buy now, as its price is in the overbought levels. It has also been developing significant weakness on the pattern. In the auto sector, Minda Industries is a good stock to own at present. The next stock is Coal India. The next stock is one that is in the hot news now due to the challenges in coal shortage. Coal prices zoomed 200% due to disruptions in mining and supply constraints due to heavy rains. Coal India one of the biggest suppliers to most of our power plants, should be one of the biggest beneficiaries of the coal price rise. Coal India qualified on earnings rank between February to March 2021, then it dropped. Price rank for the stock was holding low for a long time. It went up when power crisis came up, and even now both the ranks are far below 50. Ranking did not take the stock up. While it qualified on technical in October, it had a trend reversal buy, and post the entry, stock has given up again. On the charts, weekly time period is very strong. It is going through a correction. Should take off soon. Good to hold the position with a stop to protect if the trend changes direction. With the power crisis looming large and Coal India having the potential to benefit from the coal price increase, stock has the potential to do well. Coal India did not get attraction on ranking while it is gaining on technical. This is how market works. Not all the positions are winners, while good opportunities find their way through some strategy. So having multiple strategies will only help us have the potential to make profit in multiple ways. And that is it from my side. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. Happy investing.